Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock in your Audi A6. First, find your MMI control panel, usually located near the gear selector. Press the Setup button to enter the main system settings. From there, you'll need to navigate through the menu options to find either Time or Date/Time. This is where we'll begin making our adjustments to ensure your clock is accurate. Once you're in the time settings, you'll use the main MMI control knob. Rotate it to highlight the hours, then press the knob to select. Now, rotate it again to adjust the hour to the correct value. Repeat this process for the minutes, rotating to change and pressing to confirm. Take your time to ensure precision, as this sets the foundation for your vehicle's clock. After setting the time, you might also want to adjust the date. Look for the Date option within the same menu. Use the MMI knob to select and change the day, month, and year, confirming each selection with a press. Once everything looks correct, simply exit the Setup menu. Your Audi A6 clock should now be accurately set and ready to go for your next drive. If you encounter any issues, like the clock not updating immediately, a simple vehicle restart can often resolve it. For more specific details, or if your MMI system differs slightly, always refer to your Audi A6 owner's manual. It's a valuable resource. And hey, while you're on the go, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.